We introduced video clips, music clips, movie clips through video streaming. We are happy to share with you that we continue to stay a step ahead in providing value-added services, whether it is TV on the go, web browsing, which is internet on the go, rich content, which is provided through open wall garden approach of GSM, social networking through various networking sites, and shopping and e-commerce. In brief, the widest customer choice, superb customer service, unbeatable quality and coverage. These will be the mainstay of our offering. If you look at the segments, we are in a position to offer absolutely matching value proposition to a customer, whether he is in light pocket segment, comes from enterprise, he is looking at lifestyle choice of handsets, or he is an anchored customer who goes for PCO or fixed wireless applications, data usage or value-added services. In every segment, we are in a position to tailor and customize our offering through combination of GSM and CDMA platform, so that the bouquet of services which we offer him meets every single individual need of his. So ladies and gentlemen, I conclude by saying we are poised to serve 1 billion Indians on both GSM and CDMA platforms.
Thank you, Prakash. I'm delighted to announce that starting tomorrow, Reliance's nationwide GSM service will be available across 11,000 towns in India. We will be doubling our GSM coverage in the next few months to over 24,000 towns and 600,000 villages, and also will soon cover all railway routes and national and state highways. This will represent to be the widest, deepest and fastest GSM rollout and coverage plans of any service provider in India. We are India's #1 network, both on GSM and on CDMA. We at Reliance Communications look forward to serving over 1 billion Indians. Thank you so much. I open the floor for questions.
Mr. Ambani.
And if you can go in some sequence and then.
Mr. Ambani, congratulations.
Thank you.
This is Kenan Machado from CNBC TV 18. Just a question, could you give us an indicative figure of how much capex you spent on the GSM rollout in the past 11 months, and how much would be the incremental capex going forward?
I think that we're well within the budgeted numbers which we gave in January of 2008. As I have announced earlier, that we've committed over 10,000 crores of capex, which is the vast majority of capex on the GSM rollout is nearly complete.
Mr. Ambani, this is Ritesh from Z Business. Sir, किस तरह की pricing रखी गई है इस GSM network के लिए?
I think that I leave it to our marketing teams and our business teams. As I've said, we will be launching services effective tomorrow. So you should wait for the price announcements tomorrow. I've already mentioned that we've changed the landscape of telecoms in 2003, and I believe that 2009 will be no different.
Mr. Ambani, exact numbers?
Yeah, go ahead.
For a strategic investor at some point to come in?
No, we are very well funded. on all accounts. We look forward to participating in the 3G auction, both on the WCDMA side, which is the migration path for GSM, as well as the CDMA 3G path. We are serving millions of customers, and we owe them high quality service into the future. And I think that we look forward to participating in 2009 into the 3G auctions.
What's the projected break-even for this GSM rollout?
I don't think there is any break-even. I look at it and I say that it's a combination of offerings. On a broad brush basis, 7 out of 10 customers currently entering the mobility space are entering into the GSM space. So nearly all our growth today is coming from CDMA, and we believe that having 2 strong technology platforms will be a great catalyst for us in terms of enhancing our market share and providing a range of quality of services to millions of customers in India.
Mr. Ambani, just a follow-on question. Of the 10,000 crore capex, could you give us the exact spend on GSM? You said
This
it's
is 10,000 crores is on GSM.
And incremental going forward?
A few thousand crores as per our original guidance.
2,000-3,000.
As I said that we are nearly at the end of our commitment on GSM. I've already announced that over the next few months we'll be doubling our coverage from 11,000 to 24,000. So most of the capex is behind us. Yes.
Is there a scope for a strategic investor at any point to come in? Are you open to that option at all? Are you saying that?
No, I read the same media as you do, and I believe that we are very well funded. We have strong cash flows. We still have had a large amount of capex, which is nearing the end of our large capex cycle, both for CDMA, for GSM, and I look forward to the future with great confidence and hopefully looking at free cash flow generation over the coming years.
सर CDMA में एक Reliance Communication एक मेजर प्लेयर है. GSM सर्विस में किस तरह के टारगेट्स सेट किए गए हैं फॉर द फोर्थकमिंग ईयर?
I don't think that we have a target for this year or that year. We are predominantly a CDMA operator. We still are the second largest mobile operator in India, and we see no reason not to cross 100 million mobile customers in the coming years.
Mr. Ambani, Chabi here from CNBC Awaaz. 3G में जब आप एंटर करेंगे वहाँ पे किस तरीके की इन्वेस्टमेंट साइड रखी गई है 3G रोल आउट के लिए?
The 3G spectrum fees are clearly up for auction, so that everybody is familiar with. The reserve prices are 2,000 crores. Let's wait for the e-auction. Let's not speculate on what it could really be. Depending on the rollout that we will have, I believe that the capex on 3G would be anywhere between 2,000 and 4,000 crores. Yes, Arjun. I can't see you wherever you are. Okay, good.